Hey guys, in the last video I talked about the autoresponder, so now I wanted to talk about some of the other tools that link together with the autoresponder and how you can use them. Here I'm in the marketing hub, which these are all the tools that you get as a basic member. I'm going to go ahead and start here at the top left and go into the capture page wizard, and this will let you build your own capture pages that work together with the autoresponder. So here, you can choose your own background image if you want, or you can select one of the ones from that they already have in here, which they're all very good looking pages. Just kind of go through and let's use this one. All right, select the background that you want and proceed. Then it gives you a few headlines that you can use. You can take a look here, grab the internet. Now, I'm going to use this one, quickest, most hassle-free way to make money that you've ever seen or heard of. All right, I'm going to use that. As you see, there's quite a few. And then save your selection, and then there it shows you, and you see where the opt-in box is, and these bars here control where that go. So I want to move it over a little bit, and let's just over there. I like how it kind of goes along the horizon. You can make it darker or lighter, like it a little bit transparent, like that. And then proceed. And here you can choose which fields you want in here. Do you want to enter first name, or do you want to email? First name, last name, phone, address, city, state. These are all the things, or you can add your own custom field. I'm going to take that off, just leave it as enter your email. And proceed. And then here you can upload your own button or use one of the buttons here. And I'm going to choose this, let's see, because I'm going to send them to the LSN page that shows the video. So let's choose this. I'll try this one. We'll watch video now. Proceed. And you can type in your own here, or choose one of the ones. And I'll just choose this. See amazing proof on the next page. Or actually, discover details in revealing video. That goes along with what I'm choosing, and then save your selection. And there you can see you have a capture page. It's got a good looking background. Here's all this information. If you don't like anything about it, you can go back and make changes to it. But once you've saved your selection, if you come back here to your marketing hub and go to funnels, you see here capture pages that you've created. It's going to, and you go there and you can see that capture page in there now. If you go to edit, you don't need to make any changes here because this is all what was already created for you. But I'm going to go to settings, and settings you can give the page a title. You can choose which contact group. Do you want them to go to your active leads, free members, whatever ones that you've already set up when you were setting up your autoresponder. Here I want it to go to my active leads. And then the redirect URL. This I'm going to leave it to my default one, which is my LSN URL. But say you were creating a a capture page and you're saying, opt in and I'll give you a free ebook or something like that, instead of saying that they're going to show them a video, you can put whatever page here that you want. Or if you're promoting something other than LSN, you could put, whatever page here that you want people to go to once they opt in. So that way when somebody goes to the page, they enter their email address, they'll get added to your autoresponder and get an email, and then that page will go automatically to whatever page you set here. Here you can also turn on live chat or the inviter. And what these are, live chat, it puts a little image on your bar and on that page that you just created, and people can talk via the live chat, which is another tool that you have with LSN. Or you can put the inviter on there, which is easy share buttons. So do you want to share on Facebook? Share this page on Facebook, Google Plus, and a couple others. But once that's all set and done, just save any changes that you wanted to make, and you can view page. And now if you go back to your sales page, to here, you can click on here, the edit page, and then click on it and open it up in a new window, and get your link. You can just click on that and it'll open the page, and you can copy your link from the address bar. Or if you go here, you can view this as a list, and it'll show everything there, and then you can get your URL from there. Just copy link address, paste and go, and then it'll go. Now I'll talk more about generating traffic, but with these lead pages right here, one thing that's been working for me is viral mailers, safe lists. I know a lot of people have different opinions on them. Some say they work, some say they don't. I personally do use them. If you're not ready to start investing money to promote your offer, it's a great way to get traffic to your squeeze pages or your capture pages, and these type of pages work really well with them. So what I'll do is I'll show you. I'm going to go to maxmailerpro.com, and here I'm already logged in, and you can send a mailing here. You can see I've already sent messages. I'm going to just send this again. Basically, you create an email and you can make it really simple. Like this one is thousands joined today. Don't wait, miss your chance to get to the top. And then paste in the capture page you just created. I'll change that title. Let's look at this and like the quickest, most hassle-free way to make money. Let's see. So how can we change this? Quick, hassle-free money. And something short, and says, just a short message. People aren't going to spend a lot of time reading the emails. They're going to spend more time on the actual page. You do want to put something in here that leads them to the page, but you don't want to put too much because it'll just get glossed over. The shorter and more to the point you can make it, perfect. And then you select how many people. Like right now, I'll be able to send, I have referrals in this too, so I'll send to them. And so I'll be able to send this email to 7,881 people. Now, just to let you know, I wouldn't expect, a million signups from that. If you're sending it out to 8,000 people, you might get 1 or 2 opt-ins from that. And that's why you want to set up your autoresponder. So once they opt in, you start sending them more information about LSN or whatever it is that you're promoting, whether it's LSN or some other company, a website of your own. But these sites work really good for getting opt-ins to your list. They don't work really well if you're trying to make a direct sale. So if you go to the, Max Mailer Pro or some other sites, you will be able to make direct sales if you go to them, but it's going to take a lot more email sending. So this way I found works really good for me. Now here it's going to check my site, says everything's good, and I'm going to go ahead and send it. That way from that one mailing I can get 1-2 opt-ins to my list, and that list is going to tell them, start telling them about LSNs and why they should sign up for it, what benefits there are in it for them. And that's how I build my business. I don't directly promote LSN sales page, because somebody comes to the sales page and they leave, they're gone for good. But if somebody comes to my squeeze page, fills in their information first, then sees the sales page, then I have a chance to send them back to that sales page more than once. Or after I've spent a couple of weeks telling them about LSN and they're still not going to purchase, I can tell them about other offers that might be interesting to them too. So you get more leverage when you are promoting your capture pages instead of directly to your sign up page. So that's what works for me. Hopefully that helps you out some, and hopefully you see how you can use capture pages. I'll put a link to MaxMailer Pro down below if you're interested in that. And there's also a ton of other sites like that. If you have any questions about LSN, about how to promote your LSN offer, how to build your list, or how to write your emails, please just let me know. Feel free to leave any comments or questions you have below, and I will see you in the next video.